Imagine a time when the economy was crumbling, fortunes were lost overnight, and despair was everywhere. In this bleak landscape, one man didn't just survive, he thrived. This is the story of John D. Rockefeller, the man who became a billionaire during the worst economic crisis. Rockefeller understood one critical truth: in every crisis lies opportunity. While others panicked, he saw the downturn as a chance to build an empire. How did he do it? By mastering the art of negotiation, staying focused on efficiency, and having an unshakable belief in the future. Rockefeller's rise can be boiled down to three key strategies. First, strategic acquisitions. During the panic of 1873, when others were selling, he was buying, often at a fraction of the cost. This allowed him to consolidate the oil industry under his control. Second, efficiency. Rockefeller was obsessed with cutting costs and improving productivity. By refining the process of oil production, he not only outpaced his competitors, but also made oil affordable for the masses. Rockefeller wasn't just a cold-hearted businessman. He believed in giving back. Despite the tough times, he donated millions to charity, setting a new standard for philanthropy. His success wasn't just about amassing wealth. It was about using that wealth to make a difference. Rockefeller's methods were simple but powerful. Buy low, improve efficiency, and never lose sight of the bigger picture. These principles are as relevant today as they were over a century ago. The way to make money is to buy when blood is running in the streets. What can we learn from Rockefeller's story? In every crisis, there's a chance to build something great, but it requires vision, courage, and the ability to see beyond the immediate. Are you ready to apply these lessons in your own life? If so, hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore more stories of success against all odds.